Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, I just did two videos showing you how to use the calculator to determine if it's linear or exponential. Now I'm going to do the same thing, showing you how you can also check to see if it's quadratic. All right, so just like before, we have a table of X and Y values. So we're going to need the calculator. So I've already entered the X values in the X column. Now I just have to do the Y value. So it's going to be control 7. So I'm going to enter 21, 12, 5, 0, -3, -4, -3. So let me enter those real quick. So this will be 21, 12, 5, 0, -3, -4, -3. Press enter. Now, going to go back to the home screen. We're going to use this data and statistics. Down at the bottom, we put the X values. On the left, we put the Y. Now, this is going to be quadratic, but let's prove it. So we are going to go just like we did before. It's going to be menu 4, 6. And this time we're going to choose option 4 for quadratic. Now, here is our equation. Now, let me go back here. So let me write that down. It's menu 4, 6, and this one is 4 for quadratic. Right. Now, not only you can see that r squared is 1, so this is a perfect fit. The line is going through all of the blue dots. You also have the equation. So I can write the equation for this function. I can say 1x squared minus 4x. And then this term over here, it looks like there's a constant, but really the calculator is trying to tell you that there's nothing else after this. So if we go back here, what you would write is you would just say x squared minus 4x. That's a function, all right? And if you want to check it, by the way, you could go here and you can key it in and you can say 1x squared minus 4x, press enter, and we could go to the table. All right, so if we go to the table, control T. All right, I'm going to do control 6 so you can see the table better. Okay, so if we go up to where the X is a -3, you see it's 21, -2, 12, -1, 5, 0, 0, 1, -3. So basically what I've done is I've created this table. So I know that this is the right, equation, all right? So I've checked it. I've looked at the table. By graphing the function that I came up with, I get the same table as the table I started with. So I know that this is absolutely quadratic. So I can go here and I can say it's been checked. All right. So that's it. You're just going to use the spreadsheet. Once you get those values in, we're going to go and you're going to use the purple data and statistics sheet. And then you're going to put the X down at the bottom. You put the Y on the Y axis. And then depending on what the shape is, if it's this, it's linear. If it's this, it's exponential. If it's this, it's quadratic. So you gotta, again, you gotta know what the graphs look like. So once you know that, you can use the calculator on any table to determine if it's linear, exponential, or quadratic. All right, I'm going to stop and I'm going to post this.